It's a little walk in the woods and go over some stepping stones. Anyway, what are we looking at today? DJI Mavic 3.
Yay, it's not a phone gimbal.
Oh, you're thinking, oh, not another Mavic 3?
Not another gimbal.
Mavic 3? And even though it says Mavic 3 Pro in the title, you probably think, didn't we have that before? No, we didn't, because they started off with the Mavic 3, not the Pro. Then they went with Classic. Now they've gone fully Pro. Why is it Pro? Because last time the Classic, they took a lens away. Now they put it back, and they've added an extra one.
Whoa, it's huge.
Look at that. It's got a face. Sorry, I've just noticed the stepping stones
Disappear.
I think the tide is too high. Look at that.
You have to be able to walk on water.
We came here. We paid and displayed as well. We paid for the car park.
Oh, what the hell? 1.5 pound gone.
I guess I should fly the drone for a bit, shouldn't I? Bloody hell. But before that, what's new about this Mavic 3 Pro? Well, now it has not just 2 cameras, but 3. That's the main thing, because the flying performance is pretty much the same. Before, with the Mavic 3, they had the standard and the tele lens. The tele lens was about 162 equivalent, and the wide was, was wide. Now they've got the wide, they've got the tele, which is 166, so a little bit longer. But they've also got a medium, which is slots right in the middle. So yeah, as you can see on the remote, it's got 1 time, 3 time, 7 time. Whoa! Zooming in now. Probably doesn't zoom that close. It doesn't focus that close, does it?
Let me film you with this.
And I can do the zooming action.
Yeah.
Ow! Okay, I'm gonna fly it, and it's near your testicles, which is never a good thing. I bet all you can hear from the sound is just the rushing water. It's very quiet.
It is.
Yeah.
I can't hear anything.
I think they put a little stick on it that said 85 or 82 decibels or something like that. Oh, look at that! Look at that lovely water. I don't know why I'm speaking like that, like it's a pet. So, look, stepping stones. Not there. So, mostly a pointless video, but I guess you got that.
But you can go through there, quite cool.
Yeah.
Try not to hit anything though. That's my SD card.
Yeah, that's my drone that I don't own. This is DJI's drone. I'm sure they'll appreciate that, but let's fly under there anyway. Shall we?
But it has all the obstacle avoidance camera. See, it stopped.
No, that's me, because I got scared. I had to stop because I had to wonder whether I've got insurance. Oh, it did stop there. Yeah, insurance not necessary. The obstacle avoidance detection system works well, even with branches and really small things. Come through. I can see I can come through that. Don't give me this.
Yeah, it's like parking sensor on a car. It's like, there's nothing behind me.
Except you can't go. It just doesn't like it.
Oh,
I don't like it. I think it's got all directions on this.
all direction, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it got sideways because these 2 lenses is like 45 degrees. That too. So the bottom got 2 cameras and IR sensor as well, just like before.
So this is a Mavic 3. It's essentially the same as the Mavic 3. It's the lenses that are different. So it's got all the obstacle detection, which is great. Especially here where I can't see where it is. It's behind a tree. But hopefully it's not gonna.
Oh, I can. For legal reason, I can see it.
Oh, yeah.
I see that. I see that.
I was only joking, people. I can see it not loud and clear. I can't hear it loud and clear because it's very quiet. Look at the stepping. Look at the majestic stepping stones there.
Under the water.
Under the water. I tell you what. One good thing is with lenses, you've got to take some people shots. Boom.
Well, there's no people here.
We're not people.
Oh, we are.
We're not people. What are you saying? I knew it. You're a robot, aren't you?
I'm AI.
You're a cybernetic organ. You've been AI'd into the shop. Look, I've just.
See this? Pretty good. I've got 5 fingers as well.
Yeah. But bend them. Show them. Bend it backwards. Look.
Oh!
There's a glitch. You can tell it's AI. Oof, you know, shit. So look, that's 1 times. Oh, you can do that.
Oh, okay.
It's digital.
Digital.
So that's at 7 times zoom. So you can go from 7 times, 14 times. That's 336mm equivalent right there, and then all the way to 28 times, which is 672mm equivalent. But that's even on the screen I can see that looks pretty shady. So when I've selected 7 times, I can only go up. I can't go back to 3 times. If you start recording at 1 times, that's with the Hasselblad wide camera, and you can only zoom to 3 times, that's with digital zoom too. Start recording at 3 times with a medium tele camera, and you can zoom digitally from 3 times to 7 times. From 7 times tele camera, you can digitally zoom from 7 times to 28 times. It doesn't change from one optical lens to another when zooming while recording basically. It does, however, if you turn on the Explorer mode. Explore mode enabled, 28 times zoom supported. 1 time, you can go all the way through the range. In terms of resolution, I've got 4K 30, I haven't got 25. It's also 1080 30, okay, interesting. But look, you can see, let me go slowly through the range, see if there's a slight difference when you get to the next lens. And then when you get, there's a slight jump there.
Yeah.
Understandable because it's not from the same position. There you go.
The parking sensors is annoying.
It is, isn't it? And then, oh. So jump to 7 times. There we are. Boom. Of course, the Mavic 3 had the tele lens as well, but that was just really wide or really cropped in. Because having that in between is kind of a bit more useful, especially when you're doing, I don't know, car shots, perhaps.
Perhaps. Oh yeah, I think that would be useful.
I think so.
Okay, I'm ready actually.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, sport mode. Oh, I don't have sport mode. Eco mode. Off. Whoa.
Oh, bump. Right, I'm ready for tracking Lock's shopping trolley with my magnificent flying machine and trio of lenses. Let's go. Ah, getting attacked by a fucking fly. Right, flying right over Lock now.
Coming to the strike. I'm at the strike. Coming to the art bit. I'm at the art.
Sometimes the wide camera doesn't feel close enough to the action and you don't want to be flying it any closer in case you fly into something. It's quite far away. Oh, here we go. It's zoomed in. I'm on the 3 times now. Warning, it does look closer than it actually is, but it's okay. I'm not going to crash into a tree, hopefully. There we are. One more time. There we are. We can get a bit closer to Lock. Look at that. Could be a car advert. All following a fugitive making a getaway in a Fiat. 3 times is already plenty useful to punch in and get that extra bit of detail, although it took a bit of getting used to flying it while keeping the subject in frame when it's not on the wide view. Having 3 cameras / lenses is useful, it's just that you have to not only remember the limitation in zoom while recording due to it being only digital zoom, but also only the 1 times Hasselblad camera lets you shoot 5.1K 50 FPS. With 3 times and 7 times tele, there's no 5.1K, only up to 4K 60. Even for color profiles, D-Log, D-Log-M and HLG are only available with the 1x and 3x telly. On 7x, there's only the contrasty normal profile. Slow motion, oh yeah, slow motion, you can't zoom in. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, man. Shit. Not too scratched up.
Well, it's not in the water. I think that's the more important thing.
That is the important thing, yeah. You might as well compare the image quality for stills. The 7x lens seems to be a little softer than the other two lenses, which is similar to the situation with the Mavic 3, but at least now with the Mavic 3 Pro you do have a very good 3x lens in between that does have great image quality.
I think almost like you can think of there are 3 different cameras on it. So one camera is only do 4K, one camera do 5.1K. So you change camera, not change lens.
Yeah.
Like it's Pro.
It's Pro.
Yeah.
You just have to remember that when you're shooting between those 3 lenses that you have to understand there are, as I said before, there will be some limitations or differences.
But you can do that because you're Pro.
Exactly. The Pro fills a nice gap that was left between the 2 lenses of the Mavic 3, filling that void with a decent quality optical lens camera option. I feel like the 3x medium telly equivalent of 70mm is a lot more useful than the much tighter 166mm of the 7x telly. With the Pro out, the original Mavic 3 might seem like the less favoured option for those wanting more focal lengths, with the classic for those fine with just the wide. But if you're looking for a good portable drone right now with more than one lens, then this has come just at the right time. If you want to set up your own website, online store, just your own domain, it's super easy to get started with Squarespace with a slick, easy to use interface filled with a plethora of templates to choose from and with 24/7 customer service to help you out if you need it. You can give it a try with a 14-day free trial and 10% off your first order by using this link and discount code. ND filter set. Look at that, looks like a face, robot face. Let's keep that safe. Keep it away from lock because you dropped mine last time.
Oh! Sorry!
Oh no!
Yeah, you keep mentioning it.
Oh, mighty morphing time, let's go! We'll do the, like Top Gun. Those people who are under the plane. Yeah. When the wing goes over them, they're like... Something like that.
Wow, there's a car going backward. It's going... What? Is that trying to go U-turn or something? There's a car going backward. Don't know what that car's trying to do. Just wait and see what is going to go backward all the way. What's it doing? Yeah. What's it doing?
What's going on? Crazy man! Why are you going backward?
Watch out! Alright, I'm going to pass. Oh! Road closed. So they're trying to go backward all the way. I would turn around over there rather than going backward like them.